If I wore this in the UK a month ago, I would have looked like a complete... So I got these as a souvenir in Japan. Is it time to wear these face masks? Should I wear mask?
Yeah, this is perfect Japanese style.
Alright, so I'm here in a Japanese department store and I've just spotted these face masks.
そうだね、日本人はマスクつける方多いね。
I see everyone wearing these masks, so I'm gonna give it a little review. Oh, sorry. He was wearing one. So here is the selection. I'm guessing this is the adult one. Is this face mask like your face mask?
Same.
Is that the same for man?
Normal people is
You have masks? Ah!
Yeah.
Oh. We've got kids ones, boy for girl.
This one and this one.
this is child.
Oh!
Hello Kitty. Imagine walking in and seeing your partner wearing this. Alright, I think this is the one. This is just 7. Turns out I don't actually need 65. Alright, let's see what the deal is. Silky. Ladies and gentlemen, the face mask. So yeah, put it over each ear, I guess like that. Quite like it. I feel like Bane from Batman.
No one cared who I was till I put on the mask.
It's pretty cool. Comfortable. Thought it was going to be like a circle. There's like a slightly thicker top. Am I wearing it the right way around? Let me see. Yeah, it's the top.
Why do you wear masks? Health or fashion?
Yeah, fashion. Japanese people face in fashion.
How much does it cost?
100 yen.
Different colors.
White mask or black mask?
Japan people, this white mask.
Black one here, that's pretty cool.
And Akihabara and many people is black mask.
We're catching up with it now, but Asia have been on this for a long time. In Tokyo, I took a bus journey. It was a long journey and I sat down and the guy next to me started sniffing and coughing and I was like, oh, I'm gonna catch this because he's literally right next to you there. And then Gods looked down on me and said,
Let's spare this guy.
and the guy next to me put on this mask. For the whole bus journey, he was sniffing away and I didn't get sick.
Mask.
If that was in the UK and you sat next to someone with the flu, you're gonna catch it.
Yeah,
I think this could catch on.
Japanese style.
Japanese.
I wouldn't want to see everyone doing it when life goes back to normal. It's not very inviting if everyone's wearing these things. I wouldn't mind if this became part of culture for people that do have a cough or like mild symptoms.
Japanese culture
Yeah.
is this.
What do you think? Should the rest of the world embrace this in the long term, or should we just leave it to the Far East?